Hi everyone! Magandang umaga, happy Tuesday sa inyong lahat. So, welcome to Leluna Tarot, okay, sa mga ating new viewers. Magandang umaga, welcome sa inyo. At sa ating mga subscribers na is welcome back, okay. So, nandito tayo ulit sa ating panibagong pick of card reading, which is about your new person, okay? About your new love. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang feelings, okay, true emotions ng inyong new person? So, titingnan natin kung ano yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Kung bago pa lang kayo magkakilala, nasa ang pace na yung relationship ninyo. So, titingnan natin, okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, meron tayong pile number 1. So, this is pile number 1, tarot card and oracle card. This is pile number 2, tarot card, 2 types and oracle card. Okay, so titingnan natin. Ano ba yung nararamdaman, emotions nitong new person ninyo. So, para to sa mga may bagong person. Okay, so, disclaimer lang guys. Okay. Take what's resonate. Okay? So, vice versa po ang energy. Kung hindi makuha yung energy ninyo, huwag ipilit. Okay? Uulitin ko po, kung hindi makukuha ang energy, kung hindi po nag-resonate sa inyo yung nababasa natin sa cards, huwag pong ipilit. And lagi po nating tatandaan kung ano po yung energy na ating ibinibigay. Okay po? Sa ating reading is yun po yung energy na babalik sa atin. Okay? Kaya, please lang po, mag-send lang po tayo ng good energy. Okay po? And good vibes and love. Okay? So, yun lamang po. So, mag-start na tayo. Okay? So, pile number 1, pile number 2. Pili na po kayo, mag-meditate po kayo para mag-start na tayo. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili ka na, kung anong pile ang sa tingin mo is mag-resonate sa'yo, mag-start na tayo kay pile number 1. So, itatago lang muna natin si pile number 2. Pile number 1. Magandang umaga sa'yo. Happy Tuesday. So, titingnan natin. Ano ang feelings ng new person mo? So, ano ba yung new feelings niya? Ano yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo? Yung tunay na nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Okay, so, tingnan natin. 2 different tarot cards. Okay. First card, King of Pentacles, Earth sign. King of Pentacles is a person na very stable, okay? A very grounded person. Okay? This is a wealthy person, a successful person when it comes to finances, okay? A businessman. So, pwedeng ito ay self-employed. Okay. This person could be an older person. Okay. This is a very stable, okay, and a secured person. So, it can be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, okay? This is an earth sign. It could be you, pile number 1. So, if you are feminine, this new person of yours, pile number 1, is very stable. Okay, so wala tong problema sa pinansyal. Okay, and kung halimbawa man na hindi pa ganun sobra-sobra yung dami nung kanyang finances, this person is, ano siya, magaling siyang mag-provide ng pera. This is a good provider, okay? This person is hindi siya yung kind ng person na aasa sa partner niya kasi this is a stable one, okay? So, hindi siya yung hihingi sa partner niya. This person can give you an equal give and take when it comes to finances, okay? So, is a good provider. Kung magiging asawa mo to, lahat ng pangangailangan mo, pati ng mga anak mo is may provide niya. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Two of Swords, air sign, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Okay. So, meron akong nakikita dito. It's either pile number 1, you are having a decision making or on a crossroads, okay. Po pwedeng you're overthinking. Maybe pile number 1, yung iba sa inyo is an air sign. Okay, an overthinker, okay. Po pwedeng yung iba sa inyo masyado yung ino-overthink this new person of yours, pile number 1. Okay, po pwedeng kaya mo ino-overthink to kasi nga, maybe you already learned your lessons and ayaw mo nang maulit kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo before or talagang strictly ka lang talaga sa magiging partner mo na siguro ngayon. Kaya may nakikita ako dito na it's either yung iba sa inyo kung hindi mo pa to partner and you are in the process of knowing each other or dating, o pwedeng meron ako nakikita dito na you are having a difficulty if you were going to accept this person in your life, okay, or not, okay? Kasi nga po pwedeng siguro hindi natin alam kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo some of you, pal number 1 is having a 2 persons, okay? O pwedeng 2 persons ang meron kayo or it's either a person, this king of pentacles or a career. It could be, okay? O pwedeng hindi dalawang tao yung pinamimilian mo. O pwedeng yung isa is this person and yung isa is overwork. Okay? Or trabaho naman. Okay? So, meron ka ditong pag-overthink na nangyayari pile number 1. Okay? Yes. Worry. Okay? A worry. Okay. Stress. May iba akong nakuha. Yung iba, stress. Okay. Maybe this person is, sabihin na rin natin a good-looking person. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung nasaktan kayo before, natatakot kayo na mamaya baka masaktan kayo ulit dito sa person na to. File number 1. Okay. So, next card. The Hermit. Okay. Virgo card number 9. So, some few pile number 1 is a Virgo. Okay. Or siguro talagang lang, it could be you are in a soul searching right now. Okay. Talagang yung iba sa inyo is meron akong nakikita na talagang nagre-reflect, okay. Nasa self-reflection ngayon. Okay. And yung iba kasi sa inyo, meron akong nakuha na some of you, yung iba sa inyo is matagal ng single. Okay. or introverted. Okay, some of you is an introvert person. Okay, and you are happy in your own time. Okay, so siguro, siguro, you are an independent person. Okay, independent, a hardworking men, okay, or woman, or babae, or lalaki. Okay, so siguro, meron akong nakuha dito na talagang yung iba sa inyo is kino-consider itong person na 'to, itong new person na 'to, na kasi nakita niyo na this is a stable person. So, alam ninyo siguro sa sarili ninyo na this is a good provider and matutulungan ka nito, eh. Matutulungan ka nito or pupuwede kayong maging, power couple, okay, kapagka naging, what I mean is talagang kayo ang nagkatuluyan. Okay, so meron akong nakukuhang gano'n. Mhm. So, talagang ano, talagang pinag-iisipan niyo 'to, itong new person na 'to, pile number 1. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Next card. Oh, the Hierophant, number 5. Okay. Meron akong iba sa inyo dito nakita ko indecisive, okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, pile number 1, this King of Pentacles, okay, it could be you are the traditional person or this person is a traditional person, okay. So, naniniwala kayo sa kasal? Yes. Okay. Um, maybe it's either you, pile number 1, or this person is a religious person. It could be, okay. Yes. Or a person with authority, okay. So, pupuwedeng ikaw din, pile number 1 is may katungkulan, okay. Pupuwedeng ikaw is may katungkulan, pile number 1, or it could be this person is merong katungkulan, okay. Meron akong nakikita sa inyo, pile number 1, na some of you is a very knowledgeable person. Okay, same with this King of Pentacles. So, this King of Pentacles and you, pile number 1, is same ng capacity na mag-isip. Okay, meron akong nakitang ganon. Yes, and meron akong nakita na both of you is with the same values, okay? Yes, values, naniniwala kayo sa marriage, okay? Kaya nga meron akong nakita dito na yung iba sa inyo, pal number 1 is talagang pinag-iisipan. Talagang itong new person na 'to, siguro ang ino-overthink niyo dito is kung seryoso ba 'tong person na 'to kasi nga ayaw ninyong masayang ang inyong oras. File number 1, meron akong nakita. And siguro yung iba sa inyo, gusto kapagka meron ng nakarelasyon at siguro, kung karelasyon nga 'tong si King of Pentacles, file number 1, is meron akong nakita sa inyo na gusto kasi ninyo is meron ng marriage na mangyayari. Okay, so ayaw ninyo kumbaga tapos na kayo doon sa phase na fling-fling, boyfriend-girlfriend, or yung parang not stable. Ang gusto kasi ninyo is kapagka nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon is may pupuntahan, okay? At pupuwedeng sa marriage mauwi, okay? Some of you, pal number 1. Okay. And yung iba nga sa inyo, talagang iniisip ninyo, at talagang nag-aano kayo dito, talagang alam mo yon, yung talagang nagre-reflect kayo talaga kung this person is a marriage material. This is a husband material. Okay, so take what resonate, guys. Vice versa ang energy. It could be this person or new person is the King of Pentacles, or maybe ikaw ang lalaki, pile number 1, and you are the King of Pentacles, okay? Yes. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. The Fool. Okay. So, meron akong nakikita dito ha, na meron dito na some of you is ang the full card kasi guys is this card signifies na alam mo yun yung alam niyo naman yung ibig sabihin ng the fool eh, 'di ba? Si the fool is yung wala siyang pakialam. Okay. Siguro pwede natin sabihin careless, yes, naive, yes. Pero kasi siya is go with the flow siya eh. Kumbaga parang wala siyang pakialam, hindi niya iniisip kung ano yung mangyayari um, in the future. Okay, so susundin niya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, kung ano yung this is free, sabihin na natin free-spirited din. Okay, na card. Okay, careless, yes. So, meron ako nakikita dito na it could be some of you nga, kaya kayo nag-iisip ng malalim and talagang nasa punto kayo ng buhay ninyo na talagang nagso-soul searching kayo with this new person or dito sa new person na to kasi nga ayaw nyo na maging the fool eh. Ayaw nyo nang maging foolish. Okay, meron akong nakita sa inyo na ayaw nyo nang masaktan ulit, ayaw nyo nang magkamali ulit. Okay, so meron akong nakikita dito na natatakot magkamali. Okay, natatakot magkamali. And I don't know why ka natatakot magkamali. Okay, some of you is dealing with a three persons. Okay, meron ako nakita dito na kaya you are in a hard decision or a difficult decisions is because you are dealing with a three person. It could be or a two person. Okay. Yes. Meron ako nakita na ayaw magkamali dito. Natatakot magkamali. Kumbaga, you are being cautious. Sabihin na natin controlling. Okay? Ano ako nakikita dito, not controlling in a wrong way, pero kasi gusto niyo yung sigurado kayo. Yung iba sa inyo ha, may nakikita ko. Gusto niyo yung sure kayo na with this new person is magiging maayos yung, alam mo yon, magiging maayos yung relationship ninyo. Okay, kapag sineryoso mo to. Okay. Yes. So, tingnan natin. Page of Wands. Okay. Meron akong nakita dito na some of you is dealing with a king, okay, an older person, and some of you is dealing with a young person, okay. Meron akong nakikita dito na kung sino man yung ano meron akong nakikita dito na more than one yung kakonect. Yes, more than one yung kausap. Meron akong more than one na nakikita dito na kinakausap. Okay. Page of Wands is, may nakita ko dito na parang this is new. A start, new passion, okay. Kumbaga, these connections na you are dealing with right now with this new person is parang, new cycle. Okay. So, nakikita mo to na new start. Okay. Kaso kasi guys, meron ako nakikita na hindi kasi natin po pwedeng, ano mo yon yung alamin lahat ng, what I mean is, sa buhay kasi, hindi kasi natin po pwedeng, kailangan yung alam natin yung mangyayari. Okay? Ang pwede lang kasi nating panghawakan or i-control, okay, right now, is yung sarili natin. Okay? Hindi kasi natin po pwedeng, gato lang yun eh, kapag magmamahal ka, this is a risk, okay? Kasi kung hindi ka mag-risk, hindi mo masasabing nagmahal ka. Okay? Yes. Pero siguro yung iba kasi sa inyo is parang parang naalala nyo lang siguro yung sarili niyo kaya parang nag-iingat kayo. Nag-iingat kayo sa taong mamahalin nyo ulit. Yung iba sa inyo may naramdaman kasi akong ganun. Okay? Gusto niyo yung talagang loyal, gusto niyo yung talagang maaasahan ninyo, ayaw ninyo yung lolokohin kayo. Okay, may nakita kasi akong ganon. Okay. Kasi nga siguro, before, naging foolish kayo or maybe, naging careless kayo or parang you don't mind sa magiging partner. Kaya siguro, yung iba sa inyo, before, nasaktan. Okay? So, last card, Queen of Swords. Air sign ulit. Okay, so, Queen of Swords, maybe you are the Queen of Swords, okay? You are an OVS type of a woman. Okay? Ikaw yung klase ng tao na you are a woman na ayaw mo sa nonsense. Okay? Yes. And talagang may nakikita ko ditong overthinker. Overthinker kind of a woman. Yes. Ano kayo logical, a very logical feminine or a very logical female. Okay, a overthinker. Okay. Pero ikaw naman yung klase ng tao na a very wise. Wise ka din eh, and some of you is an old soul. Okay. Very mature din. Mhm. You are fast ka din sa salita. You are very fast-paced person. Kaya nga gusto mo maayos ang relasyon, merong pupuntahan yung relasyon. Ayaw mo yung relasyon na parang ano, parang laro lang or games. Kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao sa mukha, kung ikaw ay feminine or babae, may nakikita ako sa inyo na ayaw yung nagsasayang ng oras. Okay. You are more with your head, not your heart. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito, you are more on your head, not your heart. If you are a feminine and if you are a queen of swords. Okay. Very wise. Mm-hmm. Knowledgeable. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Tingnan natin sa oracle card mo. So, meron kang tea leaf, love message oracle card, and energy oracle card. So, tingnan natin muna sa iyong energy. So, check natin yung energy nung pile number 1. The Sun. Okay. Leo. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, it could be a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Okay. Or, pwedeng, nakikita ako na yung iba sa inyo is gusto lang din naman maging masaya. Okay. Or maybe this person is happy sa'yo. Okay. This new person is happy sa'yo or ikaw ang masaya dito sa new person na to. Kaya talagang pinag-iisipan mo kung mag-go ka dito, kung seseryosohin mo. Okay, pa number 1. Pero this person is brightens your day, okay? Siguro masarap tong kakwentuhan, masarap kausap. Yes, meron akong nakita. Kasi this is a wise person also. Okay, very matured person kasi to masarap kausap. And ikaw naman kasi, if you are the Queen of Swords, is ikaw naman is kaya mong mag-adapt sa any conversation. Yes. Kapag nag-uusap kayo nito, if this is a King of Pentacles, is very, alam mo yun, very fruitful yung usapan nyo. Hindi nakaka-bored. Mm-hmm. If this is a King of Pentacles, sometimes, or most of the time, ang pinag-uusapan nyo is about finances, or yung, alam mo yun, yung about, basta about kapaki-pakinabang. Mm-hmm. Meron ako narinig na this person, if this is a King of Pentacles, hindi to takot sabihin sa'yo kung ano yung plan niya. Okay? Plan niya in the future with you. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, meron akong narinig na this person always telling his plans, pero lagi kang included kasi doon. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong narinig na gano'n. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Envy. Oh, envy. So, meron ako nakita dito na number 20, envy. Yung iba sa inyo, if this is already your partner, okay, this new person, at wala na kayo sa pace na ligawan, take what's resonate, guys. Maraming naiinggit sa partnership nyo with this new person. Kasi, this new person is stable. Okay. A provider. A husband material. Or a wife material. Mm-hmm. Napapangiti ka nitong person to. Basta maraming naiinggit sa partnership ninyo kasi maybe this person is a good looking person also, and talagang alam mo yung may sinasabi. Okay. Okay, so tingnan pa natin sa tea leaf mo. Eagle. Triumph over troubles. Obstacle. Okay. So, pwedeng pwedeng ang obstacle dito is, yun nga, yung kung ikaw ay earth sign, yung mind mo or yung nasa crossroad kayong yung conflict mo on your mind. Kasi nga, siguro, yung iba sa inyo meron akong nakita na hindi pa focus kasi sa love life, okay? Or hindi kayo masyadong makapagbigay ng time dito sa person, or this person hindi masyadong makapagbigay ng time sa inyo, so vice versa. Take what's resonate. Pero, triumph daw siya over troubles, obstacles. So, kahit na magkaroon, kung halimbawa, na meron man kayong trial sa pinagdadaan right now with this person, isang sabi naman dito is, malalampasan niya yon. Okay? Or maybe, if you are if you have trouble having a decision, okay, with this person, ma-overcome mo yon and makukuha mo yung kasagutan. Okay. Na dapat mong malaman. Number 1. Next card, Whale. Great worry over nothing. 'Di ba? Ang sabi ko, you are a overthinker. Okay. You are thinking if this person is mag-go ka ba sa kanya? I-push mo pa ba? Okay? Kasi nga, siguro marami ka ding pinagtutuunan ng pansin na iba bukod dito sa person na to. Okay. And pwede sigurong ang advice din sa'yo is go with the flow. Okay. Kumbaga, cherish mo lang yung moment with this person. This person is a stable person, okay? Ano to um, seryoso kapag ka nakarelasyon. Okay. Next card. Stork. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. I told you, maybe this person is a businessman or a self-employed. Okay. This King of Pentacles is kind of a person na good sa money. Okay. So, pwedeng kapag kakausap mo tong person na to, pinag-uusapan ninyo is ang daming business opportunity. Okay, maybe itong person na to ang mag-open sa'yo sa maraming business outlet na pwede mong pag-investan. Okay, para maging fruitful yung life ninyo parehas. Okay, it can be, okay, wedge. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay. So, with this envy, okay, envy card, okay, number 20, energy oracle card. So, this is the confirmation, okay, the envy card with the wedge of a tea leaf. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay, so maybe, okay, may kaibigan ka or kilala someone na also eyeing this person kasi maybe this person is a lot of money, a stable person, okay? O pwedeng ganon. And if this person is nagkakamabutihan na kayo ng sobra, okay, so be careful lang, okay? Be careful. Huwag kang maging open masyado sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga kakilala mo. Protect this connection kasi ang sabi dito is someone is trying to come between you. Okay. It could be a friend, okay? Kasi nga, naiinggit. Okay. This person, this man, okay, this King of Pentacles, if this is the King of Pentacles, this is a serious person, okay? Kapag nakita nito na mag-work ang relationship ninyo, mapupunta talaga kayo or ang ending talaga ninyo is kasalan kasi this is a stable person. Okay. And I think you are stable also kasi nga, you represent, some of you if you are a feminine, you are representing a Queen of Swords, okay? Okay, so tingnan natin yung Love Oracle cards mo. Okay, kung ano yung message or dapat mong malaman, okay? Card 1. Pay attention to red flags. Know the warning signs of of what an unhealthy connection looks like. Okay. Minsan kasi, guys, sa pag-overthink ninyo, if tama ba to, or tama ba ganito, or ganito, ganyan, or dapat ba totohanin ko ganito, ganyan, o pwedeng, it could be you or the red flags, okay? Red flags na yung pinapakita mong attitude. Okay, kakaisip o kakakontrol sa situation. It could be. Okay? So, ang sabi, pay attention to red flag. So, alamin mo kung ano yung mga warning sign ng mga unhealthy. behavior na meron kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? If you are too much worrying or being paranoid, an overthinker, okay, so handle mo ng maayos yon, okay? If you are the one who is overthinking. Okay? File number 1. So, next card. You are enough. The person you are meant to be with will love you the way you are. You don't need to change, okay? This person is a matured person and this person will love you for who you are, okay? So, kung sa tingin mo, right now is you are not enough, okay? So, ang sabi ng card dito sa reading natin is you are enough. So, that is another red flags, okay? If you are a feminine or a masculine with a low self-esteem, please guys, work on it, okay? Work on your self-esteem, self-confident, okay? Kasi, this new person, if this is the King of Pentacles, is a matured person, okay? Wag na wag niyong ipapakita na parang napanghihinaan ka ng loob, lalo na kung this is a Capricorn, okay? Kasi ayaw nito ng ano, ayaw nito na para bang hindi ka confident sa sarili mo. Kasi nga, this is a confident person also. This is a old soul. Okay? Kung ano yung sa tingin mong hindi attractive sa sarili mo, this person will love, okay? All your curves, all your, any, sa tingin mo is kapintasan mo. Okay? Kaya, please don't overthink, okay? Next card. Past lives. You have known this person before. It is soulmate from a past lifetime, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakita na iba yung naramdaman mo dito sa person na itong new person na nakilala mo. Kasi nga, maybe this is a past lives. Teka lang guys, nakuha lang ako ng tubig. Okay, so, meron akong nakita sa inyo na iba yung nararamdaman nyo dito sa person na to. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo is na head over heels dito sa person na to. Kasi nga, meron kayong past lives connection. Okay. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, may pagkakatulad ng hobby. Oo. May pagkakatulad ng gusto. Kaya, talagang pinag-iisipan nyo ng sobra tong person na to. Kasi ayaw nyong masaktan. Pero sabi dito, this is a past lives connection. Okay? So, next part. Unrequited feelings. There is not enough love to keep this relationship going in a healthy way. Okay, guys, ang nararamdaman ko dito, you are the one who is overthinking. Pile number 1, you are the one who is too much worrying. Okay. So, huwag kang mag-worry. Okay, balance mo lang yung energy mo kasi this person is a balanced person. Okay, magiging unrequited love talaga to or feelings kasi nga mamaya baka tingin mo you are not enough. Okay? Kasi nga maybe this person is may kaya sa buhay. May sinasabi, may katungkulan. Yes, a businessman. Kaya nga yung iba, kaya nga siguro meron kang kaibigan or someone in your environment na naiinggit sa connection mo with this person. Kasi nga, this person is may sinasabi. Hindi basta-bastang person. Okay? Kaya para hindi maging unrequited feelings yan, yung connection ninyo, work on yourself. File number 1. Okay? Sorry guys, uminom kasi ako. Last card. Nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. Okay. So, anong sabi dito? Trust. Okay? Stop worrying. Okay? Trust the process. Huwag mag-overthink. Okay? Maging the fool lang. The fool. Okay? Alam mo yun, yung go with the flow, cherish every moment with this person. Okay? Huwag maging controlling, huwag maging overthinker. Okay? This person will give you a equal dun sa love na kaya mong ibigay. Okay? Kaya, ang sabi dito, nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. Kasi nga, this is a divinely timed. Okay? So, kung ngayon mo na-meet tong person na to, which is si King of Pentacles, okay? Ang sinasabi dito is divinely timed na ma-meet mo talaga tong person na to. Okay? So, meron ako dito narinig na, guys, kung hindi nyo pa um, nasa-solve yung mga past traumas nyo if you are thinking that you are not enough, okay? Kung masyado ka nag-overthink, hindi ka confident, okay? Or kung ano man yung nagpapagulo sa isip mo, guys, work on it kasi this person is a stable person, okay? Hindi ka lolokohin ito. This is a matured person. Yes. Wag mong i-ruin. Wag niyong sirain kung ano yung connections na meron kayo. Kasi this person is pinadala talaga para sa'yo. Just trust. Okay? So, ano bang feelings niya? Equal. Equal ng nararamdaman mo. So, kung nararamdaman mo na parang tingin mo is natatakot ka, baka lokohin ito, nararamdaman ng person na yon. Kasi parang merong mga lalaki kasi na alam nila kapag hesitant pa ang babae at medyo nagdadalawang isip. May lalaking ganon. Kaya, go with the flow lang, okay? Be true to yourself, okay? Ipakita mo kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung feelings mo with this person. Live in the moment. Yun yung nakita ko. Okay. Kasi gusto ka nitong person na to. Okay. Huwag madaliin yung connections. Okay. Enjoy mo lang yung time na mag-uusap kayo. Mhm. Kasi meron ako nakita dito eh. Um, this is the person na meant to be mo. Why? Kasi he will love you the way you are. Yes? Oo. Ramdam mo naman yun eh. Sa sarili mo eh, pile number 1. This person will accept you for who you are. You are enough with this person. Para sa kanya, enough ka. Kaya enjoy mo lang. Yung iba sa inyo, may nakikita ko dito na ongoing pa yung emotions, okay? Oo. Ongoing pa, on process pa yung emotions. Pero gusto ka nitong person na to. Pile number 1. Okay? And this person, kapag halimbawang nagkakilanlan kayo ng mabuti, okay, and talagang hindi magkakaroon ng problem sa connections ninyo, marriage ang magiging ang pupuntahan kasi this is a traditional person also. Okay? So, naniniwala to sa marriage. Yes. Hierophant. Nandito ang Hierophant. Okay? So, pile number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung ating reading. Okay. So, anong feelings ng person mo? Gusto ka rin niya. Yes. Tanggap niya kung ano ka. You are enough in this person. Kaya nga may nagsiselos eh. Or merong naiinggit. This is a provider. Okay. This is a stable person. Stable emotionally, a matured person. Okay, file number 1. Okay, so punta na ako kay file number 2. Okay, so pwede kayong manood ulit kay file number 2. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa inyo ang reading kay file number 1. Okay, so file number 1, bye! Hi, file number 2. Kung ang napili mo is si file number 2, so tingnan natin. Ano ba yung true feelings ng new person mo? Okay, so wag na natin patagalan. Tingnan natin. First card. Uy, 9 of Cups. Fulfillment. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Oh, a wish come true. Happiness. Fulfillment. Success. Okay. So, pwedeng it could be this person looks at you and tingin niya ikaw yung fulfillment niya or maybe ikaw to. Tingin mo dito sa person na to is wish fulfillment. Okay? This person is a wish come true. So, vice versa, guys, ha? Two of Cups, water sign again. Love. Okay? Partnership, compatibility. Okay? Masaya ka dito sa person na to. Both of you are happy. Okay? A balance. Yung iba sa inyo may nakita ako, proposal, a marriage and an engagement. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Wheel of Fortune, number 10. Maybe this person is a soulmate, okay? This is a new connection. Nakita ko dito, this is a fated connections. Meron ako nakita dito, kung yung iba sa inyo nasaktan before, this is a your karma for your past connections. Okay, maybe kung nasaktan ka, this person will alam mo yon, will love you or susuklian niya yung pagmamahal mo. Nakita ko dito ang ganun. Okay? A destiny. This is a balanced connection. An equal give and take. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Oh, Three of Cups again. Karamihan sa inyo, water sign. Uy. O, pwede nakilala mo tong person na to. True friends, okay. Or a celebration, nakilala mo to. Maybe in a party. Okay. Or meron ako nakikita dito na pwedeng may engagement na maganap or a marriage or a proposal. Yung iba sa inyo. Or it could be your friend, okay? It could be a friend na naging lover. Meron ako nakitang ganon. Okay? Nagsimula to sa friendship or pwedeng friendship ang naging daan para makilala mo tong person na to. Yes. Oh, a celebration. Meron akong nakita talaga na yung iba magkakaroon ng celebration. O pwedeng mag-propose to sa'yo, propose of engagement or a marriage. Okay. Meron ako nakitang marriage. Yes, a celebration. This is a good luck. Okay? A change in the wind. A new chance. Okay? A new chance in love. File number 2. Yes. Completion. Tingnan pa natin. A decision. Three of wands. Fire sign. Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Making a decision. Sabi ko na nga sa inyo, making a decision. Maybe this person will make a decision to marry you. Okay, to engage, to have an engagement, to mag-engage kayong dalawa. Okay. Or maybe you are the one who is um, nakapag-decide na pakasalan tong person na to. Or, alam mo yun, yung lumagay sa tahimik with this person. Okay, it could be you, file number 2. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro yung person malayo sa'yo and then siguro nagpunta to sa'yo para makasama ka. This is waiting. And then siguro nagkita. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy! 9 of Wands. Fire sign again. Meron dito akong nakita na naghihintay. Patiently waiting. Okay. Still standing. Okay. Very persevere person. Maybe if this is a guy, this guy is waiting on um uy, meron akong nakita dito na this person is serious on you. If you are the feminine and this is the masculine, or if this is the feminine and you are the guy, you are patiently waiting, you are being, alam mo yon, yung nagpapakatatag ka. Okay? Para dito sa person na to. Kasi this is a soulmate. This is your wish fulfillment. Or it could be this person, vice versa. Last tarot card. Oh, the sun. Uy. Meron ako nakita dito, siguro yung babae dito is buntis or magkakaroon siguro ng baby shower. Yung iba sa inyo, ha? Yung iba sa inyo, pal number 2, magkakaroon ng baby shower kasi buntis or a celebration, a happiness, okay. So, meron akong nakita dito na a Leo card, okay, fire sign again. Sa baba, puro fire sign. Fire sign ang, fire sign, sign, okay. And sa taas, karamihan is a water sign. So, it could be a water sign and a fire sign. Partnership. Okay. This person is masaya sa'yo. Okay. Nagpapakatatag tong person sa'yo. Okay. This person looks at you has a wish come true. A balanced person, a soulmate, compatible. Okay. May equality dito sa inyo between this person. Okay. May nakita ko ditong upcoming celebration. Maybe mayroon ditong mabubuntis or pregnant. Okay. A reunion with the family. A wedding. Meron akong nakita dito. Pag-iisang dibdib. A success in love. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin sa yung oracle card. So, energy, check up. The Thinking Man, number 46. Oy. Maybe the man here is having a decision or thinking. Okay. To marry this woman. Okay. Uy, man holding a heart. Kung sino man yung masculine dito, this guy is really in love. Okay, this new person, this guy is really in love. Really in love, happy. Meron ako nakuha dito, siguro yung babae dito is a fire sign and the man is a water sign. It could be, ha? Yes. This is a balanced person. If this is a masculine, uh, balance yung isip niya sa yung puso niya. Oo. This is a balanced person, a very balanced person. This person looks at you as his gem, okay, as his gem, as a fulfillment, okay, happiness, the sun, happiness, success, okay. Tingnan pa natin sa yung tea leaf, oracle card. Your feeling tied down or frustrated. Okay. Someone is feeling tied down or frustrated. Okay. Maybe there is a pangyayari dito sa inyong dalawa. Maybe the other person is malayo doon sa isa. Okay. And yung malayo is frustrated kasi gusto niya na makasama yung other person. Gusto niya na mapakasalan. Okay. Kaso, someone is feeling tied down right now. Okay. Siguro meron pa ditong nag-aayos financially. Tingnan pa natin. Star. Guaranteed success. Okay. This person wish. Okay. Someone is wishing to be with this person or this person wish to be with you. Pile number 2. Success. Success in love. Bird flying. News is on the way. I think the news is on the way. Someone is having a baby or someone is proposing. Someone is proposing a marriage. Okay. Someone is having a reunion with someone. Celebration with someone. Okay. To engage to someone. Okay. Feeling ko may makikita dito. Kasi yung isa is having a decision to be with someone eh. Yes. This person looks at you as a wish fulfillment and ayaw niyang maagaw ka ng iba. Okay. There's a news on the way. Okay. Next card. Funnel. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Uy. Okay. Someone here. Okay. Someone here is really frustrated. Okay. Kasi tingnan nyo ha. Funnel and a yoke. Two cards of frustration. Okay. Because someone is tied down. Okay. Meron ako ditong nararamdaman na na may nangyari kaya someone is frustrated and feeling tied down. Yes. Malalaman natin. Last card. Fly. A period of ill health or depression. Uy. Maybe someone is depressed right now. And this person looks at you as a wish fulfillment, but someone is not okay right now, and this person is either tied down or meron ditong kailangan may ayusin. Okay, meron pa akong nakikita, meron dito may kailangan ayusin. Maybe this person, this guy, someone is depressed, frustrated right now. I don't know why. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin sa Love Oracle card mo, pile number 2. Deepening. A relationship will finally deepen in the next few months. You have been waiting for this. Uy! Okay. Meron akong nakikita dito, baka may malayo dito. Tapos yung person is parang nadidepress. And siguro may problema pa financially. Kaya parang yung isa is feeling tied down. Okay. And siguro, gusto na nitong ma-engage sa'yo, gusto na itong makasama ka. Kaso hindi pa mangyari kasi nga, kailangan pang ayusin siguro sa finances para makita nyo ang isa't isa. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. See? Maybe meron pa dito sigurong nag-aayos ng finances niya. Oo. Meron ako nakita may nag-aayos pa ng finances niya. Pero gustong-gusto niya na yung other person. Gusto niya nang mapakasalan. At siguro nadidepress siya kasi magkalayo silang dalawa. Oo. Feeling niya, tie down siya kasi nga, syempre, siguro baka meron dito kulang pa pera. Hindi pa makalipad papunta dun sa other person. Hindi makapunta para ma-meet yung isang person. It could be. Okay? Kasi, tingnan mo two cards of flying. Birds flying and a fly. Okay? Tingnan natin. Forgive and release. You are stronger when you carry love and forgiveness rather than anger. Uy! Someone is angry. Okay. So, meron ako nakita dito na maybe this person this new person has a baggage from the past. It could be Or ikaw yun, file number 2. And meron siyang hindi pa na po forgive. Sabi kasi dito, you just carry love rather than anger. Okay? Kaya forgive daw. And release. Okay? Kung meron ditong may problema from the past, dapat i-release mo na yon kasi um, this is your soulmate. If this is kasi nga, new person reading tayo eh. Oo. Kaya siguro yung isa is feeling down or frustrated. Also, kasi nga, siguro meron siyang hindi pa pino-forgive from her past o kung ano man yung nangyari sa past niya. Okay? Oo. So, tingnan pa natin. Overthinking, playing negative scenario. Playing negative scenarios in your head is creating issues which weren't there at first. O, di ba? Ay, nako, meron ako nakikita dito na someone is overthinking, someone is not learning his or her lesson from the past, okay? Kaya nag-overthink ka dito sa may person ngayon, right now. This person is a soulmate or compatible person. Oo, may nakita ko na this person is your soulmate. Okay, tingnan mo ha. This person is a soulmate. Balanced po eh. Okay? Tingnan nyo. This is a soulmate. An equal give and take, a partnership, compatibility. Okay? A balance, connection that can lead to proposal, engagement, and marriage. Okay? This is a wish fulfillment. Okay? Yes? This is a wish fulfillment. Kind of a person. Okay? Kaya nandito yung wheel of fortune. So, nasa sayo. Kung aayusin mo ba yung sarili mo or not. File number 1, may ganito din na card. Okay? Na senaryo. This is a karma, soulmate. So, kung hindi mo ayusin yung issues mo from the past, mapapalampas mo tong connections na to. Itong connection na to. Okay? You need to learn your lesson. Kung ano man yung lesson na dapat na matutunan mo. Mamaya baka magkamali ka dito sa person na to or mapalagpas mo tong person na to. This is a balanced connection, an equal give and take. Last card. Redirect your thoughts. Focus on what you want to attract in this relationship, not on what you fear. Guys, I'm telling you, you are overthinking. You are overthinker. Dalawang card na to, tingnan mo ha. Overthinking, playing negative scenario in your head, creating issues which weren't there at first. Last card, redirect your thoughts. Focus on what you want to attract in this relationship, not on what you fear will happen. Guys, don't create scenarios on your head na mamaya baka hindi ako mahal nito, mamaya baka niloloko lang ako nito. Or baka hindi naman talaga kami para sa isa't isa nito. Guys, tingnan mo yung card. Ang ganda ng card eh. Nine of Cups, Two of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. Huh? Three of Cups. Celebration. Marriage. Engagement. Wish fulfillment. Ewan ko na lang. Ha? Ewan ko na lang. Kung ano pang iisipin ninyo. Anong feelings ng new person mo? This is a serious person. Guys, kung anong iniisip mo sa relationship or sa mangyayari, yun ang nagmamanifest sa relationship. Mamaya baka okay naman tong connections ninyo kaso ikaw ang nag-overthink, na-attract mo sa relationship nyo. Yes. Oh, yes. Right? Diba? Stop overthinking. Redirect your thoughts. Okay? A relationship will finally deepen in the next few months. You have been waiting for this. You are waiting in this guy or this specific person on your whole life. Don't mess with it, okay? Huwag mong sirain yung Sinabi ko na rin to kay pile number 1. Huwag niyong isabotage. This is, this is your happiness, okay? Magiging masaya ka dito sa person na to. This man is holding a heart. Oh my God. Siguro you are the one who is feeling tied down or frustrated kasi sa sarili mo. Kasi nga, you are being paranoid. Okay? Negative. Okay? Ba't ganun, no? Ba't ganun yung mga tao? Masyadong nag-overthink sa sitwasyon na hindi pa naman nangyayari. Masyadong pinapangunahan yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman dapat pangunahan. Okay? Kasi masisira ang magandang connections kapag ganun ka. Okay? Maybe you are the guarded right now. Okay, pile number 2, anong emotions or feelings itong person na to? This is a soulmate. Mahal ka rin ito. Equal lang emotions nito sa'yo. Love. Love ka rin ito. Gusto ka rin ito. Okay? This is a balanced connection. Maybe you are the one who is imbalance or this person. So, vice versa. Ha? Take what's resonate, guys. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung file number 2. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa'yo, pwede kang bumalik kay file number 1 para marinig kung ano man yung message mo doon. Baka meron same, may pagka-same lang kay file number 1 pero kasi different scenarios nga lang. Okay? So, guys, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, leave a comment kung nag-resonate sa'yo. Okay? Again, dun sa mga nagko-comment po, please be respectful po, ha? Sa pagko-comment. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa yung reading, huwag ipilit. Okay? Kasi marami pong nanonood sa channel, hindi lang po isa, dalawa, or tatlo. Okay? Kaya, pag hindi nag-resonate, let go. Okay? Baka po yung mga reading sa mga susunod is mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat. This is Leluna Taro. So, good morning sa inyo. Happy Tuesday. File number 2. Bye!